Campfire memories, unlocking the warmth of English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very special phrase, campfire memories. This phrase is not just about words, but about the feelings and stories they convey. Let's dive into the cozy world of campfire memories and see what makes this phrase so unique and heartwarming. Campfire memories combines two words, campfire and memories. A campfire is a fire at a campsite that provides light, warmth, and heat for cooking. It's often a place for social gatherings. Memories, on the other hand, are recollections of past events or experiences. When we put these words together, campfire memories refers to the nostalgic and often fond recollections of times spent around a campfire. It evokes a sense of warmth, friendship, and simplicity. Campfires have a special place in many cultures. They are a symbol of community, warmth, and storytelling. In this context, campfire memories often include stories shared, songs sung, and the sense of togetherness experienced by people around the fire. These memories can be personal or shared, and they often represent times of relaxation, happiness, and connection with others. This phrase can be used in various ways. You might say, "Sitting around the fire last night brought back so many campfire memories." Or, "Whenever I smell wood smoke, I'm filled with campfire memories." It's a phrase that instantly brings a sense of nostalgia and warmth to the conversation. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar sense of nostalgia and warmth. For example, down memory lane, or reminiscing. Each of these phrases has its unique charm and usage, but they all revolve around the theme of recalling fond memories. I hope this video helps you understand the beautiful phrase, campfire memories. It's more than just words, it's a feeling. A moment in time that stays with us, warming our hearts long after the fire has died down. Thanks for watching, and may your language learning journey be filled with many such warm and wonderful memories.